Students, welcome back in your English class. Today again I am here with a new topic. So earlier we have started our new beginning, that from alphabets we started with our 26 letters are there in English alphabet. Out of 26, 5 are vowels, 21 are consonants, and afterwards we reached words. What is a word, beta? A word is a group of letters. Okay. So now today we will move further. Okay. So see, today we will do about sentence. So what is a sentence first of all? But before writing the sentence, I want to tell you a little bit about noun. Later on in detail also we will do about noun. But you should know that what is a noun. A noun is a naming word. Remember this much only first of all. That what is a noun? A noun is a naming word. And you can say that a noun is the name of a person, place, animal or a thing. Okay, that is a noun. After that I want to tell you about verb also. So what is a verb? A word, you can remember that doing words are called verb. Okay, doing words or action words are called verb. Now you have to learn this much only, and afterwards I will tell you some more about this. Okay, so verb means doing words are called verb, and noun means name of a person, place, animal or a thing. Okay. So now forget this topic and come back to this sentence, beta. What is a sentence? We have done letters, then words. Now we will do sentence. Okay. Means first we did A, B, C, D, then A, P, P, L, E, apple. Now we will write my name is this and this. Okay, whatever that. So how we are making a sentence? First of all, we should know that, because for English, if we have to speak English, we will not say that go, come, play, give, come, show me. Or not, show me is also a sentence also, not show, me, I, you, we, she, not this, because we will speak a sentence. Because if you are hungry, you will say, Mama, give me food. So what is this? Mama, give me food. This is a sentence. So simple, no? Very simple it is. Yes. See now, what is a sentence, beta? A sentence is a sentence is a group of letters. Sorry, group of words. A sentence is a group of words. You know what are words? Group of words arranged in a proper manner. And that makes complete sense. And that makes complete sense. A sentence is a group of words arranged in a proper manner that makes complete sense. Means it is having a meaning. Okay, there should be a meaning. For example, see, to market, the goes he. Is it making any sense? No. To market the goes he. So what? It is not making any sense. We have to arrange this. So question arises that how we will arrange? We don't know how to arrange. So my dear students, see, I told you that about noun. One more thing, pronoun also you should know. Pronoun is a word that is used in place of a noun. He, she, it, they. These are pronouns. Okay. So now see, first of all we will see here that about whom we are talking. Okay. See, he goes. This is action word. And the is, you know, that article. Market is noun and he is pronoun. So two things. What will come? He or market. See, who can do the action? Market or he? He, right? So here he is the naming part. He. Okay, this is the beginning. Then after that subject and then goes. He goes. This is verb, means action verb. Okay, naming verb is here. It can be noun and it can be pronoun. Okay, and then goes, and afterwards we will write here to the market. To the market. So this is a sentence. Now it is making a sense. He goes to the market. He goes to the market. Means it is making a sense, but it was not making any sense. Same words I have used again. Same words, but a little bit changes I did. What was the change, beta? First letter is always capital. Earlier when we were discussing about letters, okay, then I told you when you are writing your name, your first letter of your name and first letter of your surname is always capital. So when we write a sentence, first letter is always capital. You have to remember this thing, okay? First letter is always capital and a sentence ends with a full stop. This is called full stop. This full stop, okay? So a sentence ends with a full stop. And different punctuation marks are also there. Afterwards we will do this later on. First you remember that a sentence always begins with a capital letter and it ends with a full stop. Okay, so I hope you understood this. So when we have to make a sentence, remember first of all we are writing that about whom we are talking in a sentence. So and then after that verb, and then we are just completing the sentence, and we can try again and again 2-3 sentences. We'll get the idea, and sentence will be like this. One more example, you can write here. See, fly, sky, the birds sing. Okay, so now see about which are the naming words in this sentence. Sky and birds. It means either I have to write this sky or this words in the beginning. So what I will write, beta? Who can do the action? Words. So words. Now action word. Fly. Now in the sky. Like this we can arrange the word and making a sentence. First letter is always capital and it ends with the full stop. There should be full stop. It is a sentence. So I hope you understood that what is a sentence, beta? A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. Okay. So a sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Okay. So that's all for today. Thank you, children. Bye bye. Be safe and be